So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your PlayStation Portal is just not connecting to your PlayStation 5. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one reason why something like this may end up happening is usually because your PlayStation 5 might be out of the area of of this particular PlayStation Portal. So make sure your PlayStation Portal is basically on. You want to make sure your PlayStation 5 is on as well, connected to internet, connected to Wi-Fi, and you want to make sure there's no Wi-Fi issues going on. So that's the number one thing. Now, another issue that can basically happen is sometimes if you might have just connected these two things, but you want to make sure that your PlayStation 5 and your PlayStation Portal are on the same network account. As long as they're on the same PlayStation network account, then you can probably rest assured that there's not any really big issue, but you might want to make sure that's not the problem. So go through, make sure your PlayStation Portal and your other device are on the same network, and that is another thing I'd recommend doing here as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you might want to try doing here too is to see if you can restart your PlayStation Portal. So find the power button that's at the very top portion of your PlayStation Portal, so right here, and all you're going to want to do is hold down this particular button. When you do that, this page is going to come up, and all you're going to want to do is click this restart button. So what's going to happen is this console is going to fully restart, and that will basically allow you to go through and basically just restart this console at that point. And that's probably all you're going to have to do at that point, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And finally, if none of those things are working, you might want to go through and update your PlayStation Portal. You can do this by tapping into the top right corner right up here. You want to click onto the settings portion, which is right here, and then you want to click on System, which is right there. Then under System Software, you want to go ahead and click on Update System Software, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, and for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you. So kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.